Make from old silicone gun a flooring laminate puller. How to cut grind tape easily with 2 adjustable wrench. Use a pipe coupling to fix a broken pipe problem. Normal nail split the wood, but clasp nail not. Here showing how some key copy machine works. This just a fantastic tip to keep panes clean and close. If you don't want to take off the socket or switch, don't throw away the empty jars. Use for something. How to fit very small drill bits into the drill machine. Cut of the end of the pen. Painting door without removing. And without messing. If sensible, your hands for metals. Another paint closing idea. How to keep nice the cable on power tools. Thank you for watching. Learn more from the next episode. Subscribe now.